Hello, my name is Travis Monk. This is one part in a series of videos involving ecology. This video will provide a synopsis over the biome level of ecology, generalized names for the major types of ecosystems found throughout the world, such as the desert and tropical rainforest. The picture above provides a visual of the biomes of the world and where they're geographically distributed. If you were to look at all the ecosystems of the world, you might begin to notice patterns involving temperature and precipitation. Precipitation and average annual temperature are two of the primary factors that determine the characteristics of a given location. Terrestrial or land-based biomes such as the tundra, taiga, temperate deciduous forests, temperate grasslands, deserts, savannas, and tropical rainforests will be described in this video. The graphic on the bottom right shows the ranges of temperature and precipitation and where each of these different biomes typically fits in. A picture and description of each of these different biomes will be provided throughout the rest of this video. Each biome will be ranked upon their average temperature or range of temperatures, as well as available water on a scale from 0 to 5. The tundra is a very cold and very dry environment typically found in Arctic areas. Even though there seems to be a lot of snow, the water that's trapped in snow is not available to organisms because it's frozen. If I were to rate this biome on a scale from 0 to 5 in terms of precipitation and temperature, it would fall between a 0 and a 1 for both. Because of the low levels of water and the indirect sunlight, relatively little life can be sustained here. The taiga, like the tundra, is found at very high latitudes. Taigas are typically dominated by gymnosperms or conifers. Those are cone-producing trees. The temperatures and precipitation of the taiga would range from a 1 to a 2 on a scale of 5. Significantly more life can be sustained because of the increased water availability and seasonal temperatures. Temperate deciduous forests are temperate or moderate in terms of their temperature and precipitation. Rating them on a scale of 0 to 5, they might rank between a 2 to 4 for both precipitation and temperature. These forests look very different than the taiga on the previous slide, as they are composed of different types of trees called deciduous trees that drop their leaves in the fall. These trees are also called angiosperms because they produce flowers. A lot of the eastern United States is made up of temperate deciduous forests. Most of the midwestern United States is made up of temperate grasslands. Temperate grasslands or scrublands have about the same temperatures as temperate deciduous forests, perhaps 2 to 4 on a 5-point scale, but they're typically much drier, perhaps 1 to 2. Because of the lower levels of precipitation, there is a significantly different type of life that is supported in this biome. The savanna is, in essence, a very hot grassland that receives a bit more precipitation. A great example of the savanna biome can be seen in most videos exhibiting the wildlife of Africa. Desert areas range considerably in temperature, 1 to 5 on a 5-point scale that we've been using throughout this video, but are defined by incredibly low levels of precipitation, 0 or perhaps 1 on the scale of 5. Even though temperatures are very high in what you'd think of as a traditional desert, very little life can be sustained in these areas because of the very low water availability. The tropical rainforest biome is characterized by its incredibly high amount of precipitation and very warm annual temperatures. On our scale for temperature and water availability, it would score a 5 for both. Because of these high levels, an incredible amount of life can be sustained in the rainforest. There is greater biodiversity in rainforest than just about any other place on Earth. That is the end of this video, summarizing some of Earth's terrestrial biomes. If you're interested in learning more about any other levels of ecology or any other themes of biology, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.